Hello everyone, how are you all? Today we are going to learn the things in the sky. What you can see in the sky? I can see the aeroplane. Aeroplane. Okay. And I can see the clouds. Clouds are also in the sky when it's cloudy day. Okay. The sun, you can see the sun in the sky. Its color of sun is yellow and the color of clouds are blue or gray. You can also see the moon at night time and the sun at daytime, in the daytime. And stars, you can see the stars at night time. So okay. And the birds, you can also see the birds in the sky at daytime. You can also see the balloons in the sky when it's flying in the air. Okay, so the things we can see in the sky is aeroplane, clouds, sun, moon, and stars, birds, and balloons. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Take care and goodbye.